Hi gardeners, did you know that you could dream of having a bountiful harvest of potatoes on your patio or balcony? Just picture digging your hands into fertile soil and pulling out yellow, beautiful potatoes. Growing potatoes in containers, not only easy, it's also heaps of fun. In this video, I'm sharing with you the secrets and tips to having success growing potatoes in containers, multiple harvests with even no experience. Please continue watching till the end, because I will be sharing my #1 tip that revolutionized my harvest. A couple of years back, I was extremely disappointed with my little garden. I did not think potatoes could be grown when you don't have a lot of room for a garden. I kept watching videos on urban gardening, but it was far too expensive. Then we heard about growing potatoes in buckets. It was incredible. My first harvest was over 20 pounds of fresh, delicious potatoes from a few separate sources of plain pots. If I can do it, you can. First though, write a comment below. Are you an experienced container potato grower, or are you a beginner? I just love reading about your garden experience. First off, the pot. Grow bags, plastic pots, or even an old compost bin will suffice. What matters most is that there is drainage. Purchase pots with a capacity of at least 15 gallons so your potatoes can get on and grow. Some of the top choices are potato grow bags, where it is extremely simple to harvest by just unzipping the bottom flap. If you don't have room, try growing potatoes vertically in high pots and they will do magic. Don't buy potatoes indiscriminately from the supermarket. You require certified seed potatoes so that you can ensure that you will not contract disease. Potatoes like Yukon Gold, Red Pontiac, or fingerling potatoes are ideal for growing in pots. Cut the seed potatoes larger than the size of an egg into pieces with 1 eye per piece and allow to dry out for 1 to 2 days to prevent rotting. This is a step that new potato growers inevitably miss when they grow potatoes in pots. Good potting mix with organic compost added is a good choice. Potatoes are hungry feeders, so fertilize with slow release fertilizer to encourage growth. Fill your container to about 1/3 of the way full. Plant the seed potatoes in the container so that the eyes are pointing upwards. Cover with 4 inches of soil and water very thoroughly. Hill up potatoes as they come up, covering more soil over the stems to cover them. This induces more tuber growth and prevents the sun from making them greener. If you're learning something new, drop a comment and let me know which potato variety you're excited to try. Potatoes love consistent moisture but hate soggy roots. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. They also need full sun, so place your containers where they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light. To get the best, rotate your pots occasionally to ensure evenly balanced light cover for your plants. This secret keeps your plants from growing spindly and wandering and optimizes your container potato yield. At the time when flowers are in bloom and the leaves begin to yellow at about 10-12 weeks, it is time to unearth the treasure. Drain the pot or unzip to reveal a crop of homegrown potatoes. Harvest time is the most fun, especially if you're pretending you grew them yourself, when really you just have no yard. That's the wonder of container gardening. The secret I was alluding to is this. Mulch potatoes in containers, always with straw or shredded leaves. It will cool soil, save water, and exclude weeds. I've quadrupled my potato harvest since I started mulching. If you enjoyed learning how to grow potatoes in containers, thumbs up this video, subscribe to more urban gardening videos, and share with a friend who needs to grow food anywhere. Thanks for watching. Comment below, what is your biggest challenge with container gardening potatoes? I read each one and love helping you grow more food. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little space can be a blooming garden. Happy planting!